Guys, tuturuan ko kayo, okay? O kaya girls, boys, bakla, tomboy. Kapag kayo nagkaroon ng maraming relationship, okay? Ang tanging advice ko sa inyo para hindi kayo mahiya na ayoko na mag-asawa ng ng Pilipino kasi awkward na ang dating kasi nakailan ka na. Ganito na lang, ang gawin nyo ay mag-asawa kayo ng foreigner. Piliin nyo yung pinakamalaki para kapag na i-yoters kayo ng paulit-ulit, ayun, feel mo virgin ka pa rin. Kasi guys, masarap ikasal na feeling virgin ka, yun, at feeling, dissenting ang dating, yun. Okay naman guys, success naman ang buhay ng mga, ayun, feeling sushi, okay naman. Kaya advice ko sa inyo tandaan nyo, wala namang mali sa past. Pero, yun nga, pumili kayo ng malaki para hindi halata. At saka, hindi ko kasi guys maintindihan kung bakit pinipilit nyong kalkalin ang past ng ibang tao. Pero ang sarili nyong nakaraan ay hindi nyo maikwento sa iba. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, minsan kasi may pass ang isang tao dahil it's wrong. They met a wrong person. Pero yung nakakainis, yung kalkal kayo ng kalkal ng baho ng iba, tapos ang sarili nyong baho, hindi nyo makalkal. Kaya guys, para hindi makalkal ang inyong kabaho-bahoan, kasi sa totoo lang, kahit gaano pa katago-tago ang iyong mga sikreto. Sinasabi nila na all people, they have a secret. They have their own secret. But you know guys, you cannot keep secret all the time because secret can come out accidentally. At alam mo mga bagay-bagay na hindi na kailangan yung gawing kahiya-hiya kasi past na nga. Past is past. Pero yung nakakainit ng ulo ay pinipilit nyong isiksik ang isang tao na maalala ang mga past niya na kinalimutan niya na at binaon niya na sa libingan ng sementeryo. Alam nyo, kasi sa buhay ng tao, please respect each other. If you know how to respect the person's private life, they can respect you back. But if you don't know how to respect others, don't ask that they will respect you back because you cannot ask respect. Yes. Kusa yon. Kusang binibigay ng tao dahil karespeto ka. But, may mga tao talagang epal. Alam mo yon, napaka-epal ng taong walang ginawa kundi sumunod-sunod sa'yo, siraan ka dahil feeling nila ay sikat na sila kapag naninira sila ng kapwa nila. Hindi nila alam na one day, kung ano man ang sitwasyon na naranasan ko, like me, okay? I've been bullied. And you know what? I'll never be ashamed for that. In the beginning, yes, I feel like, I want to do suicide. Yes, because, it's not acceptable that, I experience like this. And then, my family is very conservative. And especially when my father's alive, yeah. Iniingatan kami ng parents namin. Pero alam mo, nung napadpad ako dito sa Europe, doon ko na people here is very liberated, yeah. Ganun pala talaga sila. Pagdating sa ay masyado silang bulgar. Pero alam mo kung ano yung nakakainis, yung wala na silang respeto. They don't know how to respect other person's private life. Kaya hindi ka taka-taka na umaangat sila dahil sa negosyo na kung ano man negosyo nilang budol-budulan. Pero ito tatandaan nyo, na take note. Tatandaan nyo, always remember this, before you do that to the person, ask permission if they are agree that they will work like that, because it's not funny that using the person because you want to earn money, or because you have a worse experience in your own family. I think that people do like that. they make bad to others because they experience bad when they are young. Yes, and not to or maybe yeah, I think some of that they are the victim. Yeah, but most of them they are the victim of their own family. At ayun guys, alam mo kung anong iniingatan ko, yung anak ko na hindi madisgrasya. Kaya sinasabi ko talaga, kinuha niyo sa puder ko ang anak ko, walang, walang bahid ng kababuyan. Kaya, don't make my daughter like, baboy, yeah. Kasi kapag ginanon niyo yung anak ko, promise, may gagawin akong isang bagay na hindi nyo makakalimutan sa talambuhay nyo. Yun lang guys, na-share ko lang. Tandaan, ang lahat ng mga tao may kanya-kanyang experience. Yes. Nagkaroon man sila ng bad experience, respect. Yes. Hindi mo kailangan ulit-ulitin yung minuto. Ano ka, sira ulo? O talagang sira ulo ka? Why you didn't try to go to normal boutique? Maybe you're gonna, feel normal or act like a normal person. Yeah, that's it guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, see you to the next video. Bye.